You might be working on creating a subpage for your website right now, and if you are, this should be pretty helpful. Now, here are a list of requirements for your subpage. One of the requirements you might not have played around with yet is the idea of creating a hyperlink within your website that takes you somewhere else. Now, maybe you don't know what a hyperlink is, but I'm sure you've seen one before. A hyperlink is anything in a web page that lets you click on it and takes you to, could be a different part of that page, or it could be something else. In fact, this is a hyperlink right here. This is a hyperlink to the definition of a hyperlink in Techopedia. So let's see, a hyperlink is an element in HTML. If you know what HTML means, there's a little hint inside the definition of HTML also. So a hyperlink is something in an HTML document that links to another portion of the same document or to another document altogether. Usually if we're talking about a website, a hyperlink takes you to another website, and that's the intention of that part of this assignment. So let's say we're working on a subpage on a website. This student has put a lot of interesting stuff in this site. And here's a little section about a local organization. So River City Modelers in Spokane. This is an image that comes from that place. Now, what we want to do here is, I think we're creating two different hyperlinks. I'll show you two different ways to make a hyperlink right now. So first thing, we need to go find some information about the actual site. And I think the most important thing is to make a copy of the URL right here. So I'm hitting Command C to copy, and then I'll go back over here. Now, I think the first thing I'll make into a hyperlink is this piece of text. So let's try it. Go click on it, and I have all these options up here. The thing I really want to use is this. So this entire piece of text right here, these are the controls for it. I'll click on Insert Link. When I get something that looks like this, I'm going to paste that URL that I just copied. Command V. We're hitting Apply. All right, you can see right now, let's see, that might have not worked the exact way I wanted to, because I put the actual, the text of the hyperlink right in there. Let's see if I can do this a better way. So I've got this entire piece. Yeah, I guess I'm going to select the whole thing. Okay. Instead of inserting it into the text, now I'm going to insert a link. And let's try this one. Command V, and then hit Apply. All right, that worked the way I wanted it to. The main change that I can see right now, this text has an underline, which is telling me that it probably acts as a hyperlink. But it will not act as a hyperlink unless we are previewing the website. So if I'm previewed here, I can go scroll down, should be able to click on that, and it'll take us directly to this other website. Great, that worked great. All right, the other thing that I want to make into a hyperlink, I think it'd be great to just click directly on this image. So I have that thing selected. You can click on about the same icon, Command V, and Apply. I think this tells me right here a little secret about what it hyperlinks to. And let's go back in and preview our site, and we'll see if this takes us to the same place also. Hey, it worked great. Hopefully that helps you out with a part of that assignment. If you need any help in class, don't be afraid to ask. Thanks for watching and listening.